to Blizzard 2016. This is a full-blown blizzard. It's about, I don't know, it's about coming up on 8 a.m. But it's supposed to snow for the rest of the day with accumulations up to 2 feet. And as you can see, if you can see anything but white, and it's coming down like crazy right now. There's probably 6 to 10 inches already on the ground already, and I'm going to make an attempt at shoveling. Look at my car. You can't even see it. Hitting my face. This is my dad's car. Here's the house here. The drifts are going to be probably over 4 feet to 6 feet high. When they say a blizzard, you're looking at very limited visibility. There's the woman of the house. She cleans the house. She cleans here. I'm in the middle of video here.
Okay. So see that? That's
yeah.
for like taking snow off the ground.
Okay. And we've got a tool to just get snow off of the car. Who cares? It's a good tool though. Better than the brush. There's my car. Look at my car. It's buried. 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 That's so bad. I wonder if this is what it's like in the North Pole all the time. Because if it were, I think there'd be a lot of suicides. Maybe that's why there's not a lot of people that live in the North. Okay. So we've got about coming up on 2 minutes of video here. As you can see, there's not a soul out. One person sorry, you know what, out here. And it's a bad one. It's supposedly called Jonas Storm. And I'm predicting this is going to be probably one of the biggest storms in the state has ever seen. I don't know what the record is, but I'm going to predict, I'm going to go on the record, this snow will dump up to 3 feet of snow. Not kidding. 3 feet. Because it's 8 a.m. and they're predicting the snow to run for most of the day at a clip of about 2 inches an hour. You know, so that's scary, huh? Alrighty, so maybe I'll be back later on in the day to show you more of the crazy snow. Okay?